you know why we are husband and wife in the first place is because we used to be best friends as children. Because it's very funny to tell that my husband, who is my now husband, met me first when I was 2.5 years old.
Really? And how
Yeah.
old was he?
He was 8.
Okay.
So we grew up together. And he used to come and learn from Baba, and his summer holidays he used to spend with us in our house. So my mother would have both of us sit on the table, both of us. By the time I would finish 1 spoon, he would finish 15 spoons. That's a different topic altogether. But yes, he was a foodie, is a foodie, will be a foodie. But then yeah, that's how we grew up. We never thought we'll, eventually become husband and wife. We were best friends. We were sharing the bicycle, the toys, the ball, the bat, and everything.
So when did love blossom?
And we don't even know when we were getting married. This is something. God, my God.
The
Whatever. Moment we were getting married, mala pehnane wale the, and all my friends are telling Partho, "Abhi to propose kar do, ladki shaadi kar rahi hai." To propose. They got away without proposing.
Oh God! Oh God!
So yeah,
This is too good.
I think music made us friends, and I think music made us understand each other the best, because as personalities we are very different. Very, very different. I'm extremely bubbly. I can be friends in 5 seconds with anyone. You put me anywhere with strangers, I'll be their best friend. And he's very reserved. He's very calm. He's very quiet. He's very solid.
Right.
He's very perceptive. He's very patient. I'm none of that. So I think the character itself, I think, complemented so
Absolutely.
well. So he understands that music being our common love before the sun happened, the common love was music. So I always believe that for two people to be together, it's important that you both love the same thing. Rather than loving each other, I think loving a third thing as passionately as you can
acts as a cementing
is so important. And music has always been like that. We both so passionately love music that I think before the child happened, that was the glue that always, brought us together, kept us together. So a piece of music, he will see it differently, I will see it differently. And we can discuss about it. He composes really well. So when he composes, he doesn't want to go out and sing. He's not of that character at all. He doesn't want to. He's very happy teaching his students